So generation of AC voltage, the formula for the EMF induced in a single conductor coil, that is E equal to Em sin omega t. And similarly the current, because of this induced EMF, the current flowing here is I equal to Im sin omega t. And we can also write that one, the voltage, total voltage of the AC voltage V equal to small v equal to, that one also we can write down here. Now one more term I will write down here, that is V equal to Vm sin omega t also. Why I am writing here means it will help for the next derivation it is going to use over there here. Now V equal to Vm sin omega t also we can write, because EMF is nothing but voltage only, na? Yes or no? EMF
Yes,
is nothing
sir.
but voltage
Yes,
only.
sir.
So V equal to Vm sin omega t also we can write down here now. So yesterday we have started the average value. This up to here you have written the notes also here now. The arithmetic average of all the values of an alternating quantity over one cycle is called its average value. We have to take the average of one cycle. But for this symmetrical circuit, symmetrical means one positive cycle, one negative cycle is there here. So because of this, positive cycle or positive area cancels the negative area. Hence for symmetrical waveform, the average value is calculated only for the 90 degree, only for the first half cycle only. Here 0 to 5 is half cycle and 5 to 2 5 is another half cycle. Two half cycle is nothing but equal to one complete cycle here now. Yes, so only we are calculating the average value for the half cycle, because for complete one cycle this positive area it will cancels the negative area. Both are same only, na? Here positive is there, here negative is there. Positive and negative get cancelled, so the average value will become 0 for complete one cycle. So for that reason what we are doing here, only for 0 to 5 half cycle is there, first half cycle we are considering here now. So at any instant, instantaneous value already we have discussed here. Here the current, here it may be here or whatever it may be, anywhere whatever the value here we have discussed, this is instantaneous value only. The voltage or EMF induced here is, this is instantaneous value. It may be 30 degree, 90 degree, 45 degree. We will get the value correctly here now. This is the instantaneous value. So based on that, here we have written the voltage equation and current equation. The waveforms I have considered here as current waveforms I have considered. So at any point or any instantaneous value of the current is I equal to Im sin omega t. That is the formula is there here. So for first half cycle, we have to calculate the average value of the current here now. The average value of the current is nothing but the area under the one half cycle. This is the area under one half cycle divided by the base here. Now what is the base here? 0 to 5 is there. So 5 minus 0 is nothing but 5 only. The 5 we are going to consider here. Area under the half cycle divided by the base is 5 here now. 5 minus 0 is nothing but 5 only. Change in time also you can call that one here. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Under the half cycle divided by base we are writing here now. Base is nothing but 5 minus 0 is 5 only. So what we will write down, area under the half cycle we are considering. So before that 1 by 5 I will consider. We have to find the average value of this. So 0 to 5 is there. So 1 by 5 I will write here. So area under half cycle is, so we have to do the instantaneous values there. We have to the rate of change of current we have to identify it now. So integration of I d omega t, the x-axis is d omega t is there. So d omega t I will write down. Here the I is there, I will write I d omega t. And we have to calculate the value here from 0 to 5. So the limits I will give 0 to 5 here now. So in this I here, capital I, small I is there. In this place of I will substitute Im sin omega t here in the next equation. I will make the full screen only. And I will take the annotate also. Then you will understand clearly here. Here I is there, small I. And d omega t I will keep as it is here outside now. D omega t I will keep as it is here now.
Sir, आवाज lag हो रही है.
लाउडली कम ऑन अगेन. क्या हुआ?
आवाज लैग होते तुमचा हळूहळू.
आवाज ही लैग हो रहा है क्या? अभी तो मोबाइल से नहीं कनेक्ट किए, कॉलेज का नेट यूज कर रहा हूँ. एक
नो
मिनट.
सर आ रहा है कि
अभी आ रहा है सर, अभी आ रहा है.
नहीं एक किसी को, एक आदमी को आवाज लैग हो रहा है तो वो सिर्फ उनका ही प्रॉब्लम रहते है, सबका दूसरा. एनी अदर पर्सन?
No, sir.
नो.
No,
ठीक
sir.
है, ओके ठीक है. सो आई, the value of current, instantaneous current formula, we know that one, Im sin omega t. So in this place of I will write Im sin omega t and d omega t as it is. So the limits of integration is 0 to 5 I will write as it is, and 1 by 5 I will write as it is. So 1 by 5 I will write as it is here. The Im is the constant value I will take outside now here. Now integration of sin omega t with respect to omega t,
Minus cos omega t.
minus cos omega t, minus cos omega t we are going to write here now. So the limits are there 0 to 5. So 5 we can write here now. Starting I will substitute in the place of omega t, cos omega t is there, in the place of omega t can I substitute 5?
यस
Yes, sir.
So minus cos omega t, in the place of omega t I will substitute 5. So while substituting the unit limit also, so minus I will write as it is, and already minus cos omega t is there. While substituting 0, minus cos 0 here now. Yes, in the place of omega t I will substitute 0 here now. So cos 0 is nothing but
1.
1, and here minus is there, minus into minus plus here now. Cos phi equal to
Minus 1.
minus 1, minus into minus.
Plus.
So this is minus and cos phi is minus 1, and minus into minus it will become plus, and cos 0 will become 1 here now. So 1 plus 1 it will become 2, and this Im by 5 we can write this one here. 1 by 5 into Im is nothing but Im by 5. 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. So 2 Im by 5 is the average value. 2 Im by 5 is the average value of the alternating quantity. We can tell that one here. This is the last formula we can write down here. Is it clear? 2 Im by 5, and 2 by 5 is nothing but 0.637. We will get the value here now. 5 is nothing but radian we are going to use. So 2 by 5 equal to 0.637, and Im I will keep as it is here now. You can remember this 2 Im by 5 or 0.637 Im also here now. This is the average value we have, the derivation we have calculated here. Is it clear? Is it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Yes, sir.
यस
Any doubts here? So this is the average value we are calculated only for the half cycle we have calculated. For the next half cycle it will get the negative value, you will get that one here now. एक मिनट, just a minute, दे दो मिनट. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Yesterday we have taken up to here, na? Up to here we have taken, yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, next line you write down, take this diagram. Next you write, take this diagram ले लो ये. After completing the diagram you just let me know. Take the diagram and just let me know after the diagram.
Completed, sir.
Okay, next you write down, we know that I equal to Im sin omega t. I equal to Im sin omega t. I equal to Im sin omega t. Next line. Average value equal to area under one half cycle. Area under one half cycle divided by base value. Divided by base, you write down. Divided by base. Therefore, next line. Therefore, IAV is nothing but I average. IAV equal to 1 by 5 integration symbol 0 to 5 limits 0 to 5 I d omega t. You do one thing here now. This first equation लिखा है ना, इसको equation number 1 लिखो. Equation number 1 लिखो अभी इसको. Right, equation number 1. हो गए? I d omega t हो गए?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, इसका नीचे लिखो. Substitute equation 1 in above equation. Substituting equation 1 in the above equation. Substituting equation 1 in the above equation, we get substituting equation 1 in the above equation, we get IAV equal to this equation you write down. IAV equal to 1 by 5 integration 0 to 5 Im sin omega t d omega t. Im sin omega t d omega t. Next line. Again you write same this one. I average equal to, next line, I average equal to 1 by 5 into Im. 1 by 5 into Im. ऐसा open bracket ले लो. In this one you write minus cos omega t. इसको ब्रैकेट क्लोज करो. इधर लिमिट्स लिखो 0 to 5 बोल के. Im by 5 एक सेंटेंस नहीं लिखा था मैंने, बराबर है ना अभी. I average equal to Im by 5 minus cos omega t. Integration of sin omega t is cos omega t na, minus cos omega t. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Roll number 20. 5 are scratching. Roll number 20. Atharv. Unmute and speak out. Okay. I average equal to Im by 5 minus cos omega t. Is this over?
Yes,
Next
sir.
line you write
Yes,
down.
sir.
I average equal to Im by 5. You write up to here. Up to last equation you write from this one. From here you write down up to last equation. I average equal to 1 by 5 into Im or Im by 5. कैसे भी लिखो. minus cos phi minus of minus cos 0 minus of minus cos 0. Next line, I average equal to Im by phi minus of minus 1 plus 1. Next line, I average equal to Im by 5 1 plus 1 1 plus 1, and I average equal to 2 Im by 5 2 Im by 5 equal to 0.637 Im 0.63 Im 0.63 Im. Here we can use this one. So this is the average value of the alternating quantity here. Now average value, you have to remember this formula. The problems will come, and in that problem we have to use that one. I average means what, IRMS means what, form factor means what, instantaneous value. This is the instantaneous value formula. You have to, this one V and I, you have to remember. This formula is at the start only you are going to use this formula. So you have to remember instantaneous current and instantaneous voltage. You have to write down here. Instantaneous voltage का formula क्या है? From this,
Phi is equal to phi m sin omega t.
okay, very good. So like that we have to write down here now. So is it clear? Average value.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next we will go for the next one, that is RMS value. We'll discuss now. You write the, take the heading RMS or effective value. You take the heading RMS or effective value. Effective value. RMS or effective value also we are going to consider. इसको क्या लिखने का, if you are RMS का प्लेस में we can write here root mean square. Is nothing but RMS. This is RMS value, root mean square. We can write down complete. MCQ क्वेश्चन में ऐसा लिख सकते, रूट मीन स्क्वायर मीन्स, फिर कंफ्यूज नहीं होने का. यस
Yes, sir.
only take the heading and listen. After taking the heading, you will listen carefully, then we will discuss further. Over the heading लिया, only heading ले लो.
Yes, sir.
First I will
Yes,
do the
sir.
explanation,
Yes,
then
sir.
we can do that one. Okay, listen carefully. Root mean square value is nothing but how many type of supplies we have in the electrical system. AC and DC supply we can give. Yes,
Yes.
yes, na? AC supply we can give and DC supply we can give to the load here. Now suppose you consider that one resistance is there, this resistive is the load only. The resistive load we are going to consider here now. When we will give the DC supply, it will produce this. Suppose 5 minutes time I will apply that one. For 5 minutes DC supply, how much heat it will produce us, that much heat, the same time, same voltage. Here 100 volt I have applied DC means here also I have to 100 volt I have to apply for the AC also. AC also you have to apply for the same value of resistance for the same duration. If the from both the circuit same heat is producing, that value we are going to consider as root mean square or effective value we are going to consider that. That is called effective value, root mean square or effective value of voltage or current, we can tell that one. That is RMS value we can consider. Suppose 10 ohm resistance is there, 10 kilo ohm you consider. For 5 minutes I will apply 100 volt of DC supply. I will apply 100 volt of DC supply for 5 minutes apply किए तो ये heat हो रहा है, yes, heat हो रहा है ना. Same 100
Yes,
volt of
sir.
AC voltage I will apply for the same 10 kilo ohm resistance. The same amount of heat is produced by the AC supply also, means that value of supply voltage, whatever is there, current, whatever is the supply we have given, that value we are going to consider as effective value, or root mean square value we are going to consider here. That is called effective value or root mean square value we are going to consider here. Same thing I have written here now. The effective or RMS value of an alternating quantity is that steady current is nothing but DC. Steady current is nothing but DC, which when flowing through a given resistance, when it is flowing through a given resistance for a given time, some time also you have to 5 minutes, 5 seconds, 10 seconds also you can consider that one. Given time produces the same amount of heat produced by alternating current flowing through the same resistance here now. So whatever the AC is produced, same heat it will produces for same duration of time. So that is called through the same resistance for the same time. That is nothing but we are going to call as RMS value here now. RMS value. कितना डीसी का कितना प्रोड्यूस हो जाते हैं उतना ही एसी का प्रोड्यूस हो जाते हैं. नहीं तो एसी कितना प्रोड्यूस करते हीट, द सेम हीट द डीसी शुड बी प्रोड्यूस हियर नाउ फॉर द सेम ड्यूरेशन फॉर द सेम रेजिस्टेंस. So that is called root mean square or effective value we are going to consider here. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
If two persons are there, for they are studying in same class, they are regularly they are studying for the same duration. They regularly daily they will study for 2 hours, means they are studying 2 hours only, but their result is same percentage, same 8.6 or 9.5 they got, means or both they got the 9.5, means that 9.5 is the RMS value or effective value बोल सकते हैं. सेम सेमेस्टर में है, सेम क्लास में है, डेली सेम स्टडी करते, दैट इज कॉल्ड सेम रिजल्ट आ गए, दैट इज कॉल्ड आरएमएस वैल्यू. अभी अंडरस्टैंड आ गए? एग्जांपल दे रहा हूं, आई एम गिविंग द एग्जांपल ऑफ दैट वन. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this one we can apply for complete one cycle. We can apply here now. There is no cancellation, there is no positive cycle, we are not taking average, so we can apply for complete one cycle. We can apply for complete one cycle here now. So the name itself it is indicates that one root mean square here now, so we have to use the square root, we have to use that one. Area under one cycle, area under squared curve we are going to consider. We have to use the squared curve for the one complete cycle. We can write that one divided by base here now. Previously what the formula we have used here, area under one half cycle. Here area under one half cycle we have used, but in this one for this what we are using here, I will add this waveform also here, then it will easy to explain you peoples. Somewhere here I will add. Okay, so area area under squared curve. Here current waveform I have used. For the voltage waveform you consider here now. This complete square, instantaneous value of this one will become, voltage we are going to use means V, small v, and current I am going to use means current I we are going to use here. So area under squared, root mean square is there, so root we have to use. The mean square is nothing but area under squared curve we have to, for full cycle we can write down here now. For full cycle divided by base. For full cycle what is the area under this one? If it is current we can write I square. If it is voltage we can write V square. We can write or not?
Yes, sir.
Instantaneous value V square we can write down. The x-axis whatever this base is the omega t we can write down. So for complete one cycle we are using, means the integration part is 2 5 minus 0 is nothing but 2 5 we have to use, 0 to 2 5 we have to use here now. So the base is nothing but 1 divided by 2 5 minus 0 is nothing but 1 by 2 5 we have to use here now. So the VRMS value, voltage RMS value we are going to use here now, VRMS value. So this one I will remove here, waveform. Already it is there. The next slide. So this is the waveform we are going to consider instead of this current waveform IRMS here. So to calculate the RMS value of an alternating current, IRMS or capital I directly we can write down here. IRMS or capital I. Whatever the voltage and current in your houses, residential we are getting, that is RMS value only. That is RMS value only. We are going to consider directly I and V, capital I, capital V consider karte na, that is nothing but RMS value. So I equal to square root of, what is this one? First we have to write the equation of Im sin omega t. I equal to Im sin omega t likh sakte. So this one, IRMS equal to 1 by 2 phi 0 to 2 phi I square d omega t. This is for the voltage, V square d omega t, and that is for the current, I square d omega t likh sakte.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I
sir.
square d omega t. So I square equal to Im square sin square omega t.
Yes, sir.
We know the formula also. Where it went? This formula. I will copy that formula also. We can write that one. We know that I equal to Im sin omega t. Yes. So in the place of I square, Im square sin square omega t, we have to write down.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Theta equal to omega t we are using. We x-axis we can use omega t or theta. Actually notes का copy किया मैंने. Notes में theta use किया है. Okay. Confuse नहीं होने का. Theta means क्या है? Omega t क्या है बोल के. Theta equal to omega t है इधर. In the place of theta you can write omega t also. दोनों सेम ही है. समझ में आए? बाद में कंफ्यूज नहीं होने का. सर थीटा है इधर, इधर ओमेगा टी है. सो थीटा इक्वल टू ओमेगा टी कंसीडर करो. सो डी ओमेगा टी वी कैन राइट डाउन हियर नाउ. सो ऑलरेडी आई इक्वल टू और आई आरएमएस इक्वल टू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 1 by 2 phi था. ये आई एम स्क्वायर आई विल टेक आउटसाइड. सो आई एम स्क्वायर डिवाइड बाय 2 phi वी कैन राइट डाउन.
Yes,
Im
sir.
square divided by 2 phi. So integration 0 to 2 phi. Whatever the sin square omega t is there. So sin square omega t d omega t I will write as it is here. Sin square omega t. So in the place of omega t I will substitute theta. And here d omega t is there. Omega t is nothing but theta I will substitute here. So sin square theta d theta we are going to consider here. So according to the formula, so we can write sin square theta can be converted into 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, 2 sin square theta plus cos 2 theta equal to 1 or whatever it may be. Sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. We can write this one.
Yes.
Yes,
Convert
sir.
it. Okay. Next, this one 1 minus this whatever the divided by 2 is there, again I will send into outside the square root, outside the integration. So Im square by 2 phi into 2 is nothing but Im square divided by 4 phi.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Im square divided by 4 phi हो सकते ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So Im square by 4 phi. Integration of 1 with respect to theta is nothing but theta.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So theta minus I will write as it is minus cos 2 theta with respect to theta. Integration of cos 2 theta is sin 2 theta divided by 2. We can write down.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sin 2 theta divided by 2. So limits 0 to 2 phi I will write as it is here now. Substituting 0 here now, it will become 0. Sin 0 is nothing but 0 only. So this 0 term will become 0 completely. But only for 2 phi term will be there here now. So 2 phi minus 2 into 2 phi. 2 phi is there already. In this place theta we will write 2 phi is nothing but 4 phi we can write down here now. So 4 phi is nothing but what?
2 pi. Divided by 2.
0.
0 na? Obviously
Yes,
it
sir.
will become 0 only. So only term left is 2 5 term is left. So Im square divided by 4 5 into 2 5 term is left here. Now this 4 5 is there, here 2 5 is there. We can cancel 1, 5 5 gets cancelled. 2 2 2 j 2 we can write down here. So Im square divided by 2 is the left term.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So Im square, when I will remove from the square root, it will become Im, and divided by root 2 we can write down.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 1 by root 2 equal to 0.707, we will get the answer here now. So IRMS equal to 0.707 Im, or VRMS equal to 0.707 VM, we can write down here now. Similar. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this is the answer or derivation for the RMS value of the alternating quantity. RMS value of the alternating quantity we have to write down, we can derive here now. So better option here, why I am taking theta and omega t means अभी एग्जाम में अभी क्लास में ओमेगा टी डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं, सपोज एग्जाम में थीटा दिया तो कंफ्यूज नहीं होने का. सो दिस बोथ आर सेम ओनली, ओमेगा टी का प्लेस में थीटा भी यूज कर सकते हैं और थीटा का प्लेस में ओमेगा टी आल्सो वी कैन यूज दैट वन हियर. That is angle only, where while generating the alternating voltage, we are going to shift the coil from the 30 degree 40 degree. That is angle only, na? Angle only we are shifting over there. Yes. So angle, it may be theta or omega t, both will be same only, we are going to consider here. In the place of theta equal to omega t also we can consider. If you have any doubts, you can ask now. Before taking this one, you ask the doubts first. किसी को कुछ डाउट है तो पूछो. Now only I will clear that one. Any doubts?
No, sir.
No. Okay.
No, sir.
Then you write, take the notes now here now. The effective or the effective or the effective or RMS value of an alternating quantity, the effective or RMS value of an alternating quantity is that steady current DC, steady current DC which when flowing through a given resistance for a given time, write down this one, हाँ पहले नहीं उधर इधर ही स्क्रैच करो ना, पहले वाला स्क्रैच इट, जस्ट मिनट वाला नहीं. For a given time for a given time produces the same amount of heat which when flowing through a given resistance for a given time produces the same amount of heat produced by the alternating current flowing through the same resistance for the same time full point. ये दोनों डायग्राम लिखो, this resistance and ये लिखो. आफ्टर दिस वन डोंट टेक दिस फार्मूला नहीं लेने का, सिर्फ ओनली दिस डायग्राम ले लो. लेके आर का डायग्राम,
यस सर.
आर का डायग्राम लिए. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट क्या लिखने का, दिस वेव फॉर्म यू राइट डाउन. फर्स्ट यू राइट द वेव फॉर्म. यू राइट डाउन. ओनली वेव फॉर्म लिखने का. वेवफॉर्म का प्लेस में लिखो इधर. लिसन केयरफुली. इधर आई है ना, स्मॉल आई दिख रहे.
Yes, sir.
आई और लिखने का. आई और वी, कैपिटल वी लिखो, सॉरी स्मॉल वी. आई आर वी बोल के लिखने का. इधर आई एम आर वी एम. किधर आई है उसका प्लेस में और बोल के वी एम भी लिख देने का, वी लिखने का. ओवर.
Yes, sir.
हो गए.
Yes, sir.
उसके बाद
यस.
नेक्स्ट उसके बाद लिखने का अभी, we know that I equal to Im sin omega t. Im sin omega t. I equal to Im sin omega t. और लिखो, और I equal to Im sin theta. Im sin theta. हो गए.
Yes.
Next line. RMS value equal to, you write this one, RMS value equal to square root of area under squared wave divided by base. और मैडम area under squared wave divided by base. हो गए.
Yes.
और नेक्स्ट लाइन, IRMS equal to ये VRMS मत लिखो. IRMS equal to square root of 1/2 इंटीग्रेशन 0 to 5. ये V का प्लेस में I स्क्वायर लिखने का, स्मॉल I लिखो. I स्क्वायर d थीटा लिखो. ओमेगा प्लेस में थीटा लिखो. लिखा है over.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next line. Now you write that one. Therefore, RMS value of alternating current is, इधर से कंटिन्यू लिखो लास्ट तक, लिख सकते ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, complete it. Over. हो गया क्या? हेलो.
No, sir. Wait.
Okay. Up to last equation you write down. Theta. After completing that, just let me know.
Completed, sir.
सबका होने दो. Over. All of you finished?
Yes.
Last equation, IRMS equal to only capital I is also correct. I equal to Im by 2 equal to 0.707 Im. Similarly, लास्ट में लिखो इसका नीचे, similarly VRMS equal to V equal to Vm by root 2 equal to 0.707 Vm. 0.707 Vm. Over.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next heading you take down. Next heading. Form factor. Next heading you write down form factor. Form factor. Form factor. Okay, listen now. Don't write anything. First you listen. See, already in the last class, I think while deriving the EMF equation, this form factor we have discussed about that one. The form factor is the ratio of RMS value to the average value of an alternating quantity. So our ratio of RMS value to the average value is known as form factor. The definition is there. So form factor is FF I am writing form. First F I have taken form factor equal to RMS value divided by average value. So what is the formula for RMS value? Anything you can, both you can consider voltage or both you can consider as current here now. So RMS value of the current is 0.707 IM. We can write down.
Yes.
Yes. I RMS equal to, and I average equal to 0.6371 IM. We can write down.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
2 IM by 5 now. That is, you can write like
Yes.
this. So the 0.707 divided by 0.3637 कितना हो गया देखो. 0.707 divided by 0.637. कितना हो गया?
1.109.
1.109 है ना. 9 is nothing but 1.11 लिख सकते.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So IM get cancelled. IM numerator and denominator both it is there. So IM gets cancelled. That is 1.11 we can write down here now. 1.11 we can write down here now. So similarly, iska similar form is nothing but, so you can note down this one. You can write this one. Take the heading form factor. Form factor heading लिखो. इसका नीचे definition बोल के लिखो. The double inverted comma, you write down the ratio of RMS value, the ratio of RMS value to the average value, the ratio of RMS value to the average value, of an alternating quantity, is known as form factor. 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 Full point. Double inverted comma complete. Next line. Therefore, form factor equal to RMS value divided by average value. RMS value divided by average value. Next line. Form factor equal to FF equal to IRMS divided by I average. IRMS divided by I average equal to 0.707 IM divided by 0.637 IM equal to 1.11. 1. So we'll stop here only and we'll start at 1:30. One more class is there, my class only. We'll start at 1:30. Sharp 1:30, all of you join once again. Okay, can I close?
Yes, sir.